Okay. Now, okay, so there's if I pull it hard, there's flexibility, like that, which is that's part and parcel of the machine. But if I do it softly, that is just playing the spindle that bit, and it's different at different angles are different, you know. Like there you go. That is all spindle run out. Might be able to estimate the size of it. So that's the spindle run out. Well, with a minute bit of flex, and then that's flexibility of the machine, and maybe the spindle shaft a bit. That's maybe a bit more. So anyway, there we have it.